Hello there. Good. So today what I wanted to do was to show you a static HTML website that I've created for a marketing client. So this is at the moment it's a one-page website, and it literally, like I said, is just HTML. I haven't used WordPress or anything like that. No content management system, and the challenge I'm at now is how to put in an online store into the website. So after having done a little bit of digging around, I've found a platform called Ecwid, and it's by a company called Lightspeed. And basically, from what I've seen, and I've just started playing around with this platform, but so far what I see is that you manage all your shop and your products, etc., from this online dashboard over here, and you can convert any static or custom HTML or PHP site, even if it's not a CMS, even if you're not using WooCommerce or Magento or anything like that. This is an alternative, so that you don't have to go and build up a complicated backend and database structure for your shop. So basically what I've done is to set up my shop in Ecwid, and then you basically take your code and paste it into your static HTML store, and it works really well. So this is really a quick video. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but just to give an introduction to Ecwid. I don't have any affiliation with them, but it's a cool tool that I've come across, so I thought I'd just show you what I've done. Okay, so the website in question is a website called So Much Better, and basically these guys do everything from embroideries, alteration, sewing related. They do sewing machine repairs, and they do classes, etc. So as you can see, it's really just a static site. I don't have any dynamic content coming through. It's a single HTML page showing the services, a bit of content, and I've embedded a Google map at the bottom. So basically what we want to do is we want to add a shop to this. So I've gone ahead and added a shop page, and the way I've done that is basically just duplicated the static HTML content into a new HTML file. Well, PHP. I'm using PHP, and the reason that I'm using PHP is so that I can use templating and embed a header and a footer across pages, so that like I'm doing now, when I create more pages, I can use a single HTML template for the header and for the footer. So like I said, not going into too much detail around that, but just to show you what I've done. So this is the code behind the website. So on the left hand side here, I've got basically my files, and it is running using PHP, just to repeat myself, but they really are just static HTML content. And this is my home page, static home page, and then I've added a new page for shop. I've just put it into a folder so that you can have pretty looking URLs. Just go /shop and then go into index, and this is my shop page. So all I've done is copied the code from Ecwid, and it's copied to clipboard, and then I've opened up I've gone back to my code editor, and basically just pasted the code in here. And what that's done is it has created a cool little shop front. So this is the page here, and this is the code, and it's embedded into my site. So if I go back, sorry, this is over here because I was just did a little test order, continue shopping, and everything is contained, the whole journey from going in and viewing products to selecting products and adding them to your basket, through to checkout and completing your orders, done within this frame that's generated by that literally just by this piece of code here. So obviously this isn't the code that's running everything, this is just pulling it from the Ecwid platform, but I mean, so far from what I've seen, it is really quite a slick little system. So just to go through what's available, this is a heading that I've created in my HTML page, but everything below that is the shop. So these are obviously not wool related products or sewing products, they just these are dummy products that have been generated by Ecwid. But a good opportunity to test how the system works. So going through and choosing a product, and it generates the whole product page within my static HTML shop page, complete with thumbnail viewer, variations you can share to your social media. It's got all the details that we need, links back to the catalog, and if I go back to catalog, everything is contained within this. It doesn't refresh or go to a brand new page. Everything is contained within here, which is fantastic. I've got size options, description, cool. So add to bag, and then go to checkout, and I've done a test email address over here, and checkout again. I haven't linked up any payment gateways or anything because this is going to be cash on delivery. So the idea is that this is just a local sewing shop, and people will order it here. The orders go through to the shop owner, and she packages and prepares the order for people to come and pick up from the store. So this is perfect. I mean, it's just a little business. You know, we don't need to lay out massive budget to a full-on online e-commerce store. And then go through and place order. And there it is. Cool. So this order is then sent through to the customer. So they've got a copy for themselves. There's an order number which it automatically generates. The description is for waiting payment is pay by cash. So like I said, there's no online gateway necessary. It literally just sends the order through to the owner. And and then that's basically it. That's done. It's a complete shopping system that I've put in there, and it's taken me not very long. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful and a useful tool for customers who don't need to spend massive budgets on a full e-commerce store. You can convert a static HTML site into a fully functioning online store. Thanks for watching.